Welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will be answering one of the most funniest questions online or on YouTube. And this question is, what is a video description on YouTube? So according to our researchers, this question is one of the most asked questions on Google and on YouTube as well. So I've decided to make a video about it. So if you see this is one of the most simplest thing, but then I'm making a video about it. That's the reason why I'm making this video. So let's say you're on YouTube. So I'll be using my video in this tutorial. So let's say you're watching this video of mine and I'm saying, oh, I have a code in this video's description, so go use the code, or I have a link to a website, or I have anything in the video's description. When I made mention of a video description, or when you hear a video description on YouTube, this is the video description. Let me come here, sorry. You scroll down here, even if you're using a mobile phone, just scroll down, and this is the video's description here. So you tap on it and you're going to find a link here. So let's say there's the link, and let's say there's the code they're asking you to go and copy, or find it in the video description. There's it. Simple as that. So the video description is the same as the meta description of a video, and this is a meta title or a video title or something like that. So that's it for the description of a video on YouTube. So if you are new here, kindly do well to like and then subscribe to my channel, and then also don't forget to check the notification bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos as well. So that's it for now. Peace.